Yeah. Charlie Cross cow. Maybe 10 years old?
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah, missing one tooth there on the lower right side.
Yeah.
It's missing a tooth in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so she had an abscess here earlier.
Yeah, it's a little lower down on the...
Yeah, I can see. And it's a bit active again too, that bad spot.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're just going to clip it here with some easy bossy help. And Gary. Yeah. Can't do a lot of shaving here, but it's kind of caked and opened on its own.
Yeah.
When she puts pressure on it, pulling back on the steel of the gate, she pops out pus.
Yeah, I thought she would.
Yeah. Yeah, I might have to start some fly control here. It's getting warm here in Australia. Yeah, we got some started here. Yeah, I gotta do it some more yet. Gotta get it right down the back. Yeah, that's not bad. We get the hose in there, Gary. Yeah. So we're still happily munching here, Gary.
Hey?
We're still happily munching.
Well, she's munching. I don't know if she's happy or not, but she's munching.
Well, she'd be a lot less happy if she wasn't munching.
Yeah.
That's the idea of distraction handling. Mind over matter. You know, that's flushing pretty clean. This hose is really good, Gary.
Yeah.
Yeah, bugger. You better stir him up a little bit about fishing when you and me are here working on a cow. Hope he gets something. The good news is you only have to give this every 2 days.
2 days, do you?
Yeah, it'll last 2 days.
Yep. Whereabouts in the neck or the bum?
Well, you guys can go in the bum.
Yeah.
But for me, I think she'll not give too much trouble if you distract her there. Cows don't like needles, but if they're distracted, they're good. Maybe I'll put the rest in a different spot.
Believe it when I see it.
Yeah. So we're back at Chapati, and we'll show what her wound looks like in a minute, and we'll jag her. Distraction jagging. Munch, munch, munch. And here we go. Sustained release oxytetracycline with some flunexin and an anti-inflammatory. Goop. Yeah, just hang on a second. Yeah, so big gains. She's picked up in condition. She's milking better, and her calf Doreen is growing like a bad weed. Hello, Doreen.